Hi, in this video I show how to use application for converting Xlf file to JSON. You can see, and I have example Xlf on my computer. I can double click on it to open, and it's showing me what is inside of Xlf file. I have my resource name, my unit source, and my unit target, and it's translation from English to German. I'm gonna use this file as example and we'll convert this file from Xlf to JSON file. In order to do this, I will download application from this website, Xlf Files. I will leave this website into description, name of this website into description. To find app, I will click on search and type JSON. And I need Xlf to JSON converter, and I will click on the download button to start downloading the process. Oh, also, like Viewer, it's a free app. It's also on this website. If you search for Viewer, yeah, let's search for Viewer. Viewer. Here it is, and it's a free app. It's showing what is inside of Xlf file, and also I can export into different formats if I want to. Very useful, very fast, and yeah, we have a Xlf to JSON setup downloaded. I will click on downloaded setup, double click on MSI to start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft, so you can see publisher unknown. I will just click run anyway to start installation, click next, install. Click on yes and click on finish and final screen, and you can see I have my application installed and new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we will select our XLS file. We can select many files if I want to, but for this example I will click on this select input files button, navigate to my XLF folder. Here, double click on my Xlf file and get it selected. Click on next step. On final step, I can choose which data columns I want to select export to JSON. And if I want to export everything, including the file, data type, and everything, I can select all. Click on next step. I can preview JSON file. You can see it has a name. It will use name of the file as for major structure, and then include resource name, translation source, and translation. Yeah, and yeah, you know what? Let's save results. Let's save file. It will be more easy to see. So now I can double click on this file to open it in this JSON viewer. It's also a free app. I will link on this app too. But I can open it, for example, in Notepad, and you can see it's a nice JSON file with translation name, translation source, and translation target. So this is German translation from English to German. Yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. I will be recording more videos on Xlf converters and other different how to create Xlf file from different formats and how to convert Xlf file into different formats. So if you're interested in such videos, and please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you'd like to see more applications like this and more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.